Hey guys, welcome back to Roshna as well. So guys, today we'll be discussing about that Accenture has started the off-campus recruitment drive for the profile of system and application service associate. And the best part is that they are hiring for 2019, 20 and 2022 batch pass out. So let's discuss each and everything in details. Before that guys, let's discuss about the job role and responsibilities and the eligibility criteria. So you would be working into app cloud engineering, and you can see and go through in details. I would just read out the main points. Project control service, no code and app development. Basically there'll be very minor codes or no codes you'll be doing, and test automation engineering. So these were the role. You can go through in details. Next is the eligibility, the branch sorry the eligibility batch we have discussed. The branches would be all stream and branches of MCM, MSc, MA, MCom, FA, BSc, BCA, BBA, BA, BCom, and Bachelor of Vocational, then BMS are eligible for this. Part-time and distance, courses and degrees won't be eligible for this. No active backlog during the application would be entertained before, or during the onboarding process. Maximum gap allowed is 1 year, as you already know this, and post 10th and a 10th standard till completion. So from 10th till graduation, 1 year maximum gap is allowed, because most of the people are confused here what is 1 year gap. Candidates should not have appeared in recruitment process, like for example if you have already appeared in any other profile, but before 3 months, 3 months before, if you have applied, then it is fine. Within 3 months, then you won't be eligible. Ability to anticipate, resolve queries, and etc. You can go through. These are the rest of the eligibility criteria. And yes, you are willing to work any business unit or service line within the company. If they have placed you in different business unit, then also you have to be comfortable with and good analytical thinking and problem solving skills. So this was the overall uh, you know the criteria. So now let's discussing about the complete application form. What you have to do is you have to fill in the correct details, and guys, please make sure that you fill in the correct details, because Accenture later on you might face issues like the eligibility criteria rejection. So yeah, make sure you apply as per the documents, and please keep your documents in front, and then only fill up the complete form. I would rather suggest this. And you can see here the educational type, which is post graduation and graduation degree. These degrees are applicable. And college also, you can mention here what college you are into, from branch, then year of passing. Like I said, these are the year of passing which are eligible. And you can mention your CGPAs and percentage. So the CGPA and percentage criteria is not mentioned, so you can apply even if it is like 55, 50 or 60, any percentage you apply for it, because it's not mentioned as such. So this was the overall criteria for this particular profile. In case guys you have doubt or query, let me know. Also, I have created certain videos on Accenture preparation videos, so you can go through it. I hope that would be the I'll give you the main common HR questions, and the aptitude questions would be similar you are preparing for other companies as well. It is common. So yeah, till then guys, have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye.